Hi Child Life Team, my name is Jillian Clark and I'm excited to submit this first portion of your interview process for your summer practicum experience. Child Life Specialists have many roles, one being an advocate for hospitalized children and their families. It is the job of the Child Life Specialist to help them navigate through an unfamiliar healthcare environment while facing daily challenges. They guide and support families in developing their goals in the hospital. They can also alleviate and lift the goals of their families and incorporate a sense of trust and communication. A Child Life Specialist can be considered a liaison between families and practitioners, which is part of family-centered care. Child Life Specialists provide play opportunities, psychological and procedural preparations, distraction techniques, sibling support, and a listening ear. Through these many responsibilities, Child Life Specialists positively contribute to the healthcare experience of a child and his or her family. All my life, I knew that I wanted to pursue a career that centered around my love for children. As a teenager, a career in the field of education seemed to be the perfect fit. I began my post-secondary education at Duquesne University, where I achieved a degree in early childhood education. There, I fostered my love and appreciation for children and the way in which they learn, grow, and interact with the world. However, my own life was about to take a turn into the unknown when my niece Reagan was born very ill. She struggled to feed and was diagnosed with severe gastric reflux and a hinal hernia, which required immediate surgery. The surgery was terrifying for my family. To imagine a small baby going under an invasive medical procedure seemed unimaginable. My family left the hospital raving about the role that the Child Life Specialist played in preparing them for what was to come. I immediately began to research what a career in the field might entail, and I realized that my interest in long-term goals coincided with those of a Child Life Specialist. Seeing what my family went through, I learned how beneficial Child Life services can be. And after graduating, I could not stop thinking that perhaps teaching was not the route I was meant to take. I contacted Children's Hospital of Pittsburgh and began the process to shadow a current Child Life Specialist on the oncology floor. I can honestly say that this was a day that changed my life. Seeing the smiling faces of so many ill children, I knew I wanted to be a part of their journey. Upon making the decision to pursue a career in child life, the University of Pittsburgh stood out as the best route for achieving this goal. I began to volunteer at Children's Hospital of Pittsburgh in their trauma unit, as well as become a counselor for Camp Sunrise in Maryland, a camp for oncology patients. This was a place where normalization and play was encouraged, and I can confidently say that this transition from education to child life profession was a very easy decision for me because it is such a passion in my life. I feel as if Dayton would be a great practicum experience in order to further my passion and skill set of the child life profession. Dayton Children's Hospital will allow me to have valuable experiences where I can practice the roles of a child life specialist. I believe that with this practicum experience, in combination with my master's program, I will be able to enhance my skill set. I feel as if the goals of your child life department resonate with my ideas of the profession and being able to advocate for children and families while creating collaborative partnerships. I will come with great knowledge about child development and play therapy, as I've been implementing them as a volunteer at Children's Hospital Pittsburgh. I would love to have the opportunity to complete my child life practicum at Dayton in order to gain further knowledge about child life. Thank you so much for your time and consideration. I enjoyed the opportunity to share my thoughts with you, and I look forward to working with others who share the same passion of child life.